Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this occasion I want to show you a little bit about what's coming with the new S-Concrete 2025 version. For this I have S-Concrete already open. We can see there is this rectangular beam section. We can see the utilization ratios. We can open our reports and see what's going on with this section. We also have some default loads when we open S-Concrete. We can just review them here, as we can see. And the new feature is available when we go to the section window. So for that, I'm going for Edit, Section. And here I have my section window. I can review about the dimensions and so on related to the beams. And we can also see the material properties. And these properties go for the concrete and for the steel bars. And the feature can be seen when we go to the miscellaneous and code, because now we can select the ACI 440 code. So if I select it here, we can see the bar type changed to GFRP, and also our properties changed. Now we have our concrete properties as usual. Next to them are the GFRP properties for the main bars and for the stirrups. So I'm going to work with this. I'm going to click OK. And even the colors changed. And now we can see our utilization ratios changed a little bit. So what I'm going to do is modifying a little about this geometry. So increasing the width, maybe here. And maybe also adding some bars here, here, and maybe this one, and another rebar on the top and the bottom. As you can see, the workflow is just the same as before. We can still modify some stuff with just a single click. Maybe I'm also changing here this a little bit, and we are closer to an acceptable utilization ratio. We can review that the loads are the same as before. And if I go to the reports, I can see that the American Building Standards and the design aids, manuals, and handbooks are referring to the GFRP related content. So I can just scroll down. I can review the rest of the information contained in the report. And at the bottom, at the list of messages, we can see the different clauses referring to the code included in this version. And this feature is also available for the columns. So if I change to columns, maybe increasing here the geometry around this, and increasing the bar diameter. We just got to something acceptable. We can also click on the reports and see what's going on the clause referring to the code. And also the previous tools are available with this code. We can review the NBM diagram. So we can see here, select the normal envelope, maybe the nominal envelope, and so on. And if you want to change some of the material properties, we can also go again to this edit section and change our properties as we may want.